Spanish biotechnology grows faster than in most developed countries in the world. A powerful factory of ideas projecting prestige and expectation. Dynamics, investigation, self-improvement and effort have been the ingredients for the biotechnological revolution. More than 12,000 investigators, 1,000 companies, and an unprecedented investing effort have brought about this sector's expansion in Spain. Biotechnology has set itself up as the main driving force for technological change and growth. Competitive companies, infrastructures, investigators in continuous training, objective results, and an investment in the future. Spanish biotechnology grows faster than the most developed countries in the world, a unique feature for the economic growth and the welfare of society. Technologies to improve, to internationalize, to live. Technologies to continue, to investigate, to find solutions. Heart of the development circulatory system and the lungs of society. Spanish biotechnology lives.